Okay. Uh, Today we are discussing some important part, Laplace transform method for solving networks problems. So it's very important कि you should know the Laplace transform. I hope so. In mathematics, Laplace transform is covered. This portion is covered in mathematics in M3. I hope so. Dr. Rashshankar sir has already taught you Laplace transform. So how to find Laplace transform and how to take Laplace inverse. Being why you are studying Laplace transform, you have to apply Laplace transform method in circuit analysis. In some subjects I like control system, power system, networks, Laplace transform is always there. Whenever you solve problem based on time domain, their Laplace transform comes in picture to solve the system. Laplace transform method is a one tool, you can say, to solve the problem. Generally, what you take Laplace transform and then you have to take Laplace inverse and get the solution. So there are so many methods are there. Only thing is that we apply Laplace transform method on network analysis. So how to solve the problem based on Laplace transform? So I hope so everybody knows Laplace transform of integration, Laplace transform of differentiation. So like this, we can solve the problem based on Laplace transform method. Last problem we already solved for RC network. You can solve this problem by Laplace transform method also. To get the current I by solve the circuit using Laplace transform. You always remember Laplace transform of resistance is resistance, inductor is Ls, capacitor is 1 by Cs. We already discussed and don't go too much in this. Resistance का Laplace transform is R. In circuit behavior, if you convert this circuit into transformed circuit, this is real circuit. Transformed circuit will be R becomes R, L becomes Ls, and C becomes 1 upon Cs. This you remember. For any transformed circuit, R becomes R, L becomes Ls, and C becomes 1 by Cs. Just you replace it. Okay? Replace R by R, L by Ls, and C by 1 by Cs and solve for that. You can replace this, or you can write the equation and take the Laplace transform equation and solve it. We can solve this problem. You can see B is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? IR plus 1 by C integration of ID. V is equal to IR plus 1 by C integration of I 1 by R IR plus 1 by C integration of IT. Taking Laplace transform of this equation, take the Laplace transform of this equation. What will be the Laplace transform? V is constant, constant का Laplace transform होता है V by S. R, I by S. I is your variable, right? Or I can call it as I of t. The Laplace transform of I of t is capital I of S. And Laplace transform of capacitor is integration is 1 by Cs I of. Already you studied. Laplace transform of derivative is S f of s. Laplace transform of integration is 1 by s f of s. So this is the Laplace transform. In this way you have to solve the problem. Now arranging this equation and finding I of t is your solution. Overall, why we are using Laplace transform? To find the solution current through the circuit I of t. अरेंज कर लो, I of s क्या हो जाएगा? और फाइनली I of s is equal to what will be the final solution? इसे solve करो, just see this, just solve this. ठीक है, just now take the Laplace inverse of this, you will get a final answer. Take the Laplace inverse of this. फाइनली आंसर क्या है? ऑल ऑफ यू गेटिंग दिस ना? आपको एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट में करना पड़ेगा. You have to solve this in standard form. V by S is equal to R plus 1 by CS. तो R plus CS तो मैं इसको I of S is equal to क्या हो गया? V upon S R plus CS. फिर इसको मैंने S के टर्म में सॉल्व किया, S प्लस R CS प्लस 1 by CS by एक्चुअली यहाँ पे CS रहना चाहिए. सी सी एस एस कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सी बच जाएगा, आर सी लेंगे तो सी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सी नहीं है. और फाइनली आप इसको लाप्लास इनवर्स लोगे तो क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द लाप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ दिस? v by r e टू पावर माइनस t by ठीक है. Laplace inverse of this I of s is I of t is equal to v by r e to power minus t by r. We have solved two methods. एक differential equation method है जो आप लोग ने already solve किया था, एक Laplace transform method. Idea is that you can solve any numerical using Laplace transform method. Now we come to syllabus. We can study some important points जो आपको हमेशा helpful रहेंगे आगे पढ़ने में. There are some signals. There are some signals which are asked in exams, जिसको हम test signals बोलते हैं. We call it as a test signals also, which is to be studied for circuit analysis. पहला signal है, the first signal is in Laplace transform method. We will study the first signal is impulse function. Or you would have studied in mathematics also. ठीक है. First signal is impulse function delta t. Impulse function is delta t. Impulse function को अगर आप मैं बनाऊंगा तो ये impulse function like this ऐसा, ठीक है. तो impulse function is infinity at t is equal to 0 or at some value, and rest point it is 1. At one point it is directly shoot off to infinite में जाती है, and at any other point it is 0. Impulse function आप लोगों ने पढ़ा भी होगा मैथमेटिक्स में. Impulse function is actually test signal. Practically it is not present, but it is a test signal. टेस्ट सिग्नल हम टेस्टिंग करने के लिए हम ये सिग्नल्स को यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. और आई कैन राइट इंटीग्रेशन, आई कैन राइट यूनिट इंपल्स फंक्शन. We call it as a one function which is called as unit impulse function, that is integration of delta t is equal to area covered by this impulse function is 1. ठीक है ना. Area covered by this impulse function is 1, is called as impulse function. What do you mean by unit impulse function? The area covered by a impulse function is 1, is called as unit impulse function. और अगर मैं एरिया ऐसे अगर बना रहा हूं तो this distance is a and this distance is one distance is a and other distance is one distance is a and other distance is 1 by a. Height is 1 by a and breadth is a. So a 1 by a into a gives you 1. This area is 1. So area covered by the unit impulse function is unity. Area covered by the unit impulse function is unity. Area is equal to area covered by the unit impulse function is unity, then it is called as unit impulse function. Delta t, integration of delta t is equal to 1. Or in general, Laplace transform of unit impulse function is 1. याद रखो, Laplace transform of unit impulse function is Laplace transform of unit impulse function is 1. Maybe in signals and system you would have studied unit impulse function or Laplace transform. You have studied impulse function. Laplace transform of unit impulse function is always 1. This is very important signal. आप इसको धीरे धीरे आगे पढ़ोगे कंट्रोल सिस्टम वगैरह में तो ये समझ में आएगा. दिस इज बिल्कुल लॉजिकल थिंग, ठीक है. Laplace transform of unit impulse function is 1. This you remember. This is your first signal impulse function. Next is second function is step function. Write down. Second function is step function. Step function. That is u of t, or you call it as a unit step function. Unit step function u of t. Unit step function u. This function is like unit step function u of t. It's called as unit step function. unit step function. Unit step function means 1 रहेगा तो वो यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन, 1 है तो यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन। तो क्या होता है कि स्टेप फंक्शन विल राइज इन स्टेप, फट से स्टेप में बढ़ता है। जैसे आई कैन से आई एम टर्निंग ऑन द स्विच, स्टेप में आपका वोल्टेज बढ़ गया, तो दैट इज स्टेप फंक्शन। स्विचिंग एक्शन इज नथिंग बट स्टेप फंक्शन। आपने कोई बटन ऑन करी तो क्या है, वो स्टेप फंक्शन है। इसको हम u ऑफ t से डिवाइड, इसको हम बोलते हैं u ऑफ t इज इक्वल टू 1 for t greater than equal to 0 and is 0 for t u of t is u of t is 1 for t greater than equal to 0 and is equal to 0 for t less than 0. ठीक है, क्लियर है? u of t is 1 for t greater than equal to 0 and is equal to 0 for t less than 0. Okay? So this is the one function which is called as unit step function. This mathematics is very important as far as exam point of view is concerned, GATE exam, IAS exam और एनालिसिस, कंप्यूटर कंट्रोल सिस्टम। आप आगे भी सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ोगे तो ये यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन, रैम फंक्शन, इंपल्स फंक्शन ये हमेशा आएंगे। लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन इज 1 by s. Always remember, Laplace transform of unit step function is 1 by s. Laplace transform of impulse function is 1. Laplace transform of impulse function is 1. Laplace transform of unit, Laplace transform of impulse function is 1. Laplace transform of step function is 1 by s. Step function को हम और भी बना सकते हैं। Suppose this is at which time t is equal to a टाइम पे वो स्टेप ऑन हो। I can write this as u of t minus shifted unit impulse function. आपने you would have studied this in signals and system और मैथमेटिक्स में भी पढ़ा होगा। शिफ्टेड यूनिट इंपल्स फंक्शन, यानी ये शिफ्ट हो गया ए से, इसका लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या होगा? इसका भी लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ शिफ्टेड फंक्शन का लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा 1 by s e to power minus a. आई होप सो। यूनिट इंपल्स का लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या है? 1 by s एंड शिफ्टिंग का e to power minus a s, लाइक दिस। ठीक है, ये आपको पता रहना चाहिए। तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज इंपल्स फंक्शन, सेकंड फंक्शन इज इंपल्स स्टेप फंक्शन एंड लास्ट थर्ड फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज रैम फंक्शन। ये तीन फंक्शन हमें लगते हैं throughout engineering. Third function is called as ramp function. RAMP, ramp function. R of t. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1 at t greater than equal to a, that is 0 for t less than. Now we'll study the ramp function. Ramp function is like this. R of t is equal to t. And Laplace transform of ramp function is Laplace transform of ramp function is 1 by s square. Laplace ramp function t function of t. अगर स्लोप a है तो at हो जाएगा. Laplace transform of ramp function is a by इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन क्या होता है? at होता है ना, पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. रैम्प फंक्शन इज a, t ग्रेटर देन 0 at है, t लेस देन 0 0. नेगेटिव नहीं जाता है, ठीक है. You can remember that the Laplace transform of ramp function is a by s square or slope by s square. Anybody having any doubt? You can ask. ये तीन फंक्शंस आप अच्छे से बिल्कुल बाय हार्ट दिमाग में बना लो. एक होता है इम्पल्स फंक्शन, एक होता है स्टेप फंक्शन और एक होता है रैम्प फंक्शन. ये तीनों फंक्शंस आर वेरी यूजफुल इन स्टडिंग इंजीनियरिंग. ऐसा नहीं कि आप यहीं पे रुक जाओ बस ये क्या है, इसको अच्छे से साइकोलॉजिकली माइंड में बनाओ. ये आपको दूसरे सब्जेक्ट भी, आप कंट्रोल सिस्टम पढ़ोगे नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में, थर्ड ईयर, और थर्ड ईयर में कंट्रोल सिस्टम पढ़ोगे, पावर सिस्टम पढ़ोगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये फंक्शंस आएंगे. ऑफकोर्स सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम में तो आप पढ़ ही रहे होंगे, क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग इंटायर थिंग इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स. यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन, यूनिट इम्पल्स फंक्शन, रैम्प फंक्शन, एवरीथिंग यू शुड नो. Ramp function is R of t is equal to at. Sometimes ramp function start from some other point also, small a point also. Either R of t minus a हो जाएगा, is equal to at at t less greater than equal to a, and is equal to 0 for t less than. And Laplace transform of shifted function a by s square e to power minus. Okay. So these three functions, these three signals, all of you know, very very important signals. What is impulse function? What is unit function? Unit step function, and what is unit ramp function. Impulse function, step function and ramp function, तीनों के waveforms, तीनों के equations and तीनों का Laplace transform. Many times in this exam explain these functions करके theoretical question आता है. What is unit step, unit function? What is impulse function? What is step function? And what is ramp function? So you should know all these three functions. You know the function, mathematical function, you know the waveform, and you know the Laplace. So impulse Laplace transform is 1, step is 1 by s, ramp is 1 by s square. Anybody having any doubt or queries? So you can ask me. हम अब next जो study करेंगे, हम will go on 6th unit. 6th यूनिट आपका बहुत बेसिक है, इजी भी है, जो फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ा जाता है, बट वो एग्जाम उसके बेसिक्स थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म वगैरह की आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करो, सर्किट एनालिसिस वगैरह की, ठीक है.